In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact in Odoo CRM. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right into the steps. First things first, you'll need to log into your Odoo account. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard. This is where you can find all your apps neatly organized. Look for the Contact app. If you're not sure where it is, just navigate around until you spot it. It should be easily identifiable with its dedicated icon. Once you've located the Contact app, give it a click. You'll see a list of all your contacts displayed there. Take your time, scroll through the list, and find the specific contact you want to delete. Once you see that contact, click on it to select it. This will open up a detailed view of that contact's information. Now, with the contact selected, you're going to look at the top bar of your Odoo screen. Here, you should see an action button. This button is essential for performing various tasks related to the contact. Click on that action button. It may sometimes show options that will more clearly indicate what you can do with that contact, including the option to delete. After you've clicked on the action button, you'll see a drop-down menu. Among the options displayed in that menu, you'll find the delete option. Go ahead and click on it. Now at this point, you might be a little hesitant. Deleting a contact is a significant step. Don't worry, Odoo understands this. Once you've clicked on delete, a confirmation message will pop up asking you if you're really sure about this decision. This is your opportunity to double-check everything. If you're absolutely certain that you want to remove this contact, confirm the deletion by clicking on delete again. It's just Odoo's way of making sure you're making the right choice before permanently removing that information from your system. And there you have it. Just a few simple steps, and you've successfully deleted a contact in Odoo CRM. It's always a good practice to periodically review your contacts to keep your database neat and organized. If you like what you learned today and want to keep improving your skills with Odoo, or if there are other areas you want to explore, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps me create more helpful content for you. In summary, remember these key steps. Navigate to your dashboard, access the Contact app, select the contact you wish to delete, click on the action button, choose delete, and confirm your decision. With just those few clicks, you're all set. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.